When was it first released?
92.
92. Ba-boom. Monster Beetle.
How funky are these? Now,
I've never seen one go, but these looks like the kind of shocks that I need on my frog.
how well do you know your cars? Like, what is this based on?
Based on a frog.
Oh, I gave it away.
No? The
Yes.
SRV? Is it the SRV?
No, it's a frog. It's a frog frog.
Frog? It's a red frog.
So it's got different coloured chassis. What do you call them? Rails, I guess.
Does it?
Yeah, they're red.
Do you think anybody would notice if I pinched it and put dirty old grey ones in there?
Maybe not immediately, but they will eventually.
I'm not going to do an unboxing.
Oh no, we're looking inside.
I'm just going to show people what you get. So this one has hard body, which is really cool. So what's cool about this is you don't have to paint it if you don't
I got
want.
a feeling the original ones were white. Can't remember exactly. Maybe someone's got a rear reading to remember. But I reckon they used to be white and you had to spray them red.
Yeah. So this comes red, and the good thing about that is when you crash it and roll it, it's not going to like scratch off. You know what I mean? There's nothing there to. It's only going to scratch red.
Yeah.
If you do go and paint it blue, and then roll it or crash it, then you're going to obviously have red stripes in it. So
Mine might look funky.
Would look very funky. So yeah, so that is really cool for a lot of people if you don't want to paint it and want something quite hardy.
Yep.
Yeah, it's got big monster tires in there wherever they are.
Chunky bumper.
Yeah.
So yeah, so basically it's a frog running gear. It's slightly modified so it can take all the shocks. It's got the CVA shocks fitted to it.
When was it first released? Well, not overhead.
92.
92. Ba-boom. 1986, my friend.
86 was it?
86.
Ah.
86.
Right.
So, and it had the shocks that they should have had on the
CVAs.
frog.
Pretty long ones.
Yeah, so 1986, first re-released in 2015.
Yep.
And it's back in stock now.
Cool.
And this is one of the models, of course, that comes about the speed control.
Nice. Okay, so that's the Monster Beetle.